Welcome to Performance and Repair Specialties, your go-to sports vehicle accessories and trailer repair. Founded in 2022, we provide our services throughout Prineville, Oregon. We offer a variety of products such as headlights, hitches, bed racks, and much more. With a knowledgeable and committed team, we strive for excellence and provide quality services. For more info, call 541-447-8145 or stop by our website. We are open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., so stop by today. We look forward to servicing you.